I'm Nalin, co-founder, CEO of Storylane. Storylane is a product demo platform which allows basically like marketers, salespeople to build out interactive product demos that you can share with your prospective buyers. Today, buyers really want to see your product while they're researching. And with Storylane, you are able to actually share these demos quickly and put it on your website, share them in campaigns and different personas and use cases you can do them. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and show you some example demos and also walk you through how to build these demos really quick as well. So I'm going to share the screen and this is Storylane's website. And then with Storylane, as I mentioned to you, we help you build these demos pretty quickly. So there are two product lines we offer. One is you can build out interactive guided demos. Also, you can clone your environment to build out a clickable demos. The personas are marketers, growth marketers, product marketers, and actually show what your product does on your websites, or you can run this in like campaigns or even cross-sell and upsell your product features because that's what prospect and buyers demand today. Or a sales team or a pre-sales team can use this to create a clone of your product and show a customized, personalized version of your product to your prospects as well during your POCs. So there are a lot of customers who use Storylane today. We have 1,000+ customers, and you will be able to go to our website and see demos of different customers actually on our website. A couple of examples of demos from a marketing perspective. So one is like Clari. If you go to Clari's website, what you will really see there is you will see an interactive guided walkthrough on their website, driving huge engagement for their product line. So building a demo like this or interactive version to showcase a high-level overview of your product is pretty quick with Storylane. Also, for that matter, if you go into Cognizant, if you go to the Cognizant main website, you will see interactive demo of Storylane as an example. So we have customers like Gong, Cognizant, Clari who use it as well. So these are some of these demos. And what I will show you next is basically how you can actually build these demos really quick as well. So let's say you have a platform, and I'm going to pick this example platform over here. Let's say you're running a banking software and you want to showcase some of the features of that using Storyline. The way you build the demos is through a Chrome extension. You would simply go in, use a Chrome extension. Once you sign up, you'll install that. You can create a demo, or let's say you want to choose an existing demo and you want as well. All you have to do is go ahead and start the recording as well. And you'll have different ways to record them within Storyline. So essentially, we can build out a full replica of your product quickly, or you will be able to build out just a screen-based record. So let's say I want to go into a certain parts of the product and I want to start the recording. All you have to do is capture this. It'll automatically start capturing your product, your pages, and start replicating within Storyline. As you click through it, it will start doing that for you. At any given time, it takes a couple of minutes, and at any given time, you can stop the entire recording and go into Storyline's editor. So initially, it comes down to two steps in your process itself. First, you record your product and product changes that's happening. And after that, you've recorded them, you can anytime stop this recording and jump into Storyline's editor. This is basically you will build out and edit your demos itself and publish them, and you will be able to embed on websites or share them in campaigns as I mentioned. So here it is. I'm on my editor. This is a no-code editor, which allows you to edit your captured product before you want to publish it and take it live. Let's say we captured a lot of different products over here, pages over here. I want to modify the product itself. So let's say I want to change some numbers over here, and let's say, hopefully it's my personal bank account. I want to put it like $500 million I have there, and I want to make those changes. I want to make changes to the text. Let's say I want to edit it to debit, or maybe I want to even blur out a sensitive data, which is there, which I don't want to showcase to someone. It's an easy way for you to edit text, modify data, swap out maybe this graph. I completely want to swap this out with a video or a different content. You have all those capabilities within Storyline to change something very quickly. So you will see in this option, edit and guide mode. Edit mode allows you typically to modify pretty much what you have captured. So once you have made these changes, now you can add those interactive guides to guide the user through it as well. So one thing marketers love about this part is, hey, I'm going to send this in a campaign. How do I personalize this when I send this or my project? One thing that we do here is you can personalize this with like tokens. And this could be directly coming from your HubSpot, Marketo, Pardot. We integrate with pretty much all the tools. And you can bring in the data points like the names, company names, or any variables you define inside the demos of the product itself pretty quickly. So just like how you personalize emails today at scale, you can personalize demos at scale that way with tokens. Now let's just switch on to the guide mode. Now in the guide is where you tell the user what are the important key parts of the product that you want to guide the user through. As simple as that, you can go choose your screen and say, hey, I want to add a guide at any given step. Let's say I want to talk about transactions. I want to explain what this feature is. All you have to do is click through it and use our AI to help you write these things for you as well. We know when you capture your product, what your product is, what your domain is. We automatically pick those information and help you write this out. For example, let's say I want to write about transaction and simply type it and generate a content for you and simply add to that tool. It helps you optimize that content. And let's say you want to even add a voiceover on top of this. You can simply generate a voiceover in different languages and tones and generate them and add that automatically into your guides as well. So with this, it makes it very easy for you to add these kind of interactive guides on your product which you capture. As you can see, I just added this over here. And let's say I want to add a different type of a guide in a different screen. You will choose some examples like tooltips and hotspots and pop-up modals to help guide your prospects through it. As you can see, I added 1 and 2 steps, and maybe I missed something and I want to add like a simple lead form or even a pop-up modal over there. And I want to explain, hey, welcome to my demo. And you can add those content over here pretty quickly and simply drag and drop as well. So it's very easy to build out these kind of interactive guides. And once you have built out what you think is the highlight of your product and features that you want to showcase, all you have to do is simply publish this. And there you go. You have a link which you can go ahead and embed on your website or run this in campaigns as well. The best part is you can embed them on your website with different easy ways, run them in campaigns, or even export this into videos and GIFs to run in social media as well. So let's say you want to open this demo. And once you published it, you can open it. The demo will be live over here quickly. And what you are actually saying is, this is an interactions that we just built. The best part is this is a clone of your product. So which means even you can allow the user to click around the product, or he can take a guided walkthrough of your product. So it gives you the best of both the worlds that way for user to interact with the product itself. And the best part is after somebody interacts with it, you will get to know who is viewing it and who is spending time on your demos and get to know which accounts are engaging. Run this as an ABM campaign and retarget them as well. So all of this is available within Storylane, and you can sign up here today and anytime, and it's free to start and free to build that first demo itself.